If you open this video because of the title and thumbnail, don't worry, I am not going to waste your time. Everything you saw is real, and in next few minutes I'll show you exactly how to get it everything. Where this platform itself mentioned that we make coding 100% free. To make it fully trustable, I'll search it in Google. Here it will mention Freebuff is 100% free and open source ad supported AI coding agent that give you developer access to multiple top tier models simultaneously without subscription or requiring personal API key. And if you are worried by this line, ad supported AI, which disturb your experience, before going ahead, I'll make you clear. This is the ad section. Do you imagine? This might disturb you, and this is the ad section. That's it. By using this ad, this platform is totally free and unlimited. Number of model available for free, which is DeepSeek before Flash, Kimi K2.6, K2.7, Minimax and Mimo 2.7. For research and file picking, Gemini 3.1 Flash Lite is also available. And you everyone worried about limit, and in my age video you have mentioned the limit is expired. Then this is the permanent solution for you. Here Google itself mentioned that in US, Canada, UK and European countries, this platform is unlimited. There is no any limits. Other than this country, it will provide 5 sessions for days with each session at least 1 hour. If you are outside this area, then you can use it 5 hours a day, and model limit totally for 0. If some model don't have its paid subscription, you need to trust this platform is totally free. This platform is totally open source. There is no any subscription, there is no any API key. By 3 ways that you can get access of this platform. You can use it through the CLI by installing it in your system, through the web and through the chat platform. I will prefer to use it in your system. Here you can see the limit. This session limit will be completed in 25 minutes and my 4 hour is still left. Okay, then without wasting time, let's get started. Go to the freebuff.com and each and everything will be mentioned here. Freebuff is totally free Copilot Pro price, Perplexity price, GPT, Gemini. Introducing Freebuff CLI, a 100% free coding agent right from your terminal. Just like Open Code, Codex, Claude Code, you can easily use Freebuff as well. And best part, you can use it in web as well, and you can use it in chat platform as well. It will be the 3 ways that you can use this platform. And some of the most common question that will be asked by many user, which is clear by itself. How can it be free? Freebuff is supported by text ad that I have already shown you how the ad will be presented. And what model do you use? That I have already mentioned. This is the list of model. And are you training on your data? Most of the platform which provide free of cost, which use your data for its training purpose, but this model is not use your data, your code and your access for training purpose. Means it is trusted as well. You can work with this in sensitive case as well. This is the everything, and here is the GitHub repo. You can also visit it here. This is a totally open source model. There are nearly 8,000 stars in this repo. Now after that, I'm going to show you how you can use it in terminal. If you want to use it in web platform, this will be the easy. Go to the freebuff.com and here is the web and chat form. If you click, then it will open it in this type of format. From here you can easily interact with it, but most of you want to use it in your Visual Studio Code. That's why then I'm going to show you how you can use it inside the Visual Studio Code. You can easily download its desktop app as well, but I'm going to use it as a CLI platform. Copy it from here. Okay, then open your terminal, PowerShell, whatever you have used, and make sure you have Node and npm is installed. Okay, check does Node is installed or not. If not, install it. If version will be reflected, which means Node is installed in your system. Okay, during installing Node, npm will be automatically installed, but may confirm does it install or not. Both Node and npm is already in my system. After that, I'm going to install Freebuff here. Copy this command and paste it here. It will just take 2 to 3 minutes to install it. Initially, it will didn't take too much time. After you have typed Freebuff to open it, then it will start to download the required things to use it. Okay, let's wait until it, then I'll get back to you. depending on your internet speed and device performance, it will probably take 5 to 10 minutes in most of the case. If your device is fast and internet speed is also quick, then it will install in less than 5 minutes. Now finally it will complete it. To continue, you may select any folder here. I am going to select one folder. Select this directory, open, first press enter to login, and it will redirect it to your browser. Then continue from here. Okay, login successfully. I have already created account in Freebuff, that's why it will automatically log in. After continue, if you are using it for the first time, it will provide two way of authentication. One will be the Google and another will be the GitHub. Using these two, you can easily log in. After that, it will mention Freebuff is already running. Only one Freebuff instance is allowed at all times. Okay, now it will mention only 12 minutes left in my case, where I have already used it here. You can see 12 minutes left for this session. After that, I have the 4 sessions left. Each session will be 1 hour time. Let's try it from here. Hi, is it work or not? It is a little bit slow that I have feel. I don't know why. I'm going to close this two from here. If you in session, here in terminal, it will provide this two model for now. Depending on area, this model might be different. That will mention in the website. And another best things about it, if you can refer your friend and buy this link, if your friend is unlocked, then you get extra session. Okay, this is the best things about it. Currently I am in Nepal, which is located in the South Asian country. That's why I have get this 5 hour limit. If you are in top tier country like US, Canada and European, then limit is not a problem for you. Okay, now I have ended this session, means my one session will be completed. This is my second session. Okay, here I am to test its capability, where I want to build one portfolio website for me, and I have given my random detail, my name, working field, year of experience. And best part about it is you can use 5 hour at once, or you can use this 5 hour in different time as well. This platform is not like other. If say 1 hour session will be completed, then you need to wait for some time. No, you can complete your 5 hour session at once, or you can use it in different time as well. And this is the add part. Only this. Do you think this will disturb you? I don't think it will disturb me. It will didn't hamper my coding experience. It will provided us for free and unlimited by showing this ad only. Okay, I'm totally agree with it. And I have already mentioned that if you are in top tier country like US, Canada, UK and European country, there will be no any limit. You can use it for unlimited. Okay, let's wait until it will create it, then we'll see its performance. First it will think, then it will build the to-do to complete this task. This is the best alternative for any paid tools like Claude Code, Open Code. In Open Code you can also use it for free as well. Okay, if you are a student, if you didn't want to pay, this will be the best platform currently available is in the market. And another will be the Open Code. Open Code is also awesome. It will still working on it, where it will take little bit more time, because in my folder there will be already code. First it will read it and remove it. Now it will start to edit my index.html file. Okay, if your folder is empty, if you didn't have any file, then it will take little bit less time, because it didn't require to read this file. See, among these 4 to do, 3 to do is already completed. Now under review, and it will test the portfolio. After that, this task is completed. It will not only code, it will analyze, it will read, it will review, and it will test the portfolio. If everything will be perfect, then it will provide you the final output. If it will face any problem during testing and review, it will again solve it, again test it, then at the end it will provide you the final output. Code review by DeepSeek Flash, and it will run in the browser for testing. This platform is not a random platform. Okay, it will do everything that will be done by the popular and expensive paid model like Claude. Okay, review is also completed. I think now only the testing is on the way, where coding will be already completed. Now it will will take time for review and testing this project. If you want, you can run it from your project that you have selected. Okay, I'll give time to review and test it. When it will complete each and everything, then I'm going to test it. You can see coding is already completed. This is my name, this is my portfolio. You can easily test it. Here in Freebuff, agent testing is currently happen. If you want, then this is the current preview of my website. You can see. If I provide my image here, then it's look awesome. The animation is in the background, image animation, everything will be here. View my work where I didn't provide my experience, but it will add some dummy data. Let's connect. It will provide everything. Send message, built by Naveen. You can see it will build the awesome portfolio. Get in touch, navigation is perfectly working, 3-year experience, 50 plus project, mobile app developer, content creator, AI specialist. Let's talk. My portfolio is already ready 2-3 minutes ago. Currently, AI is testing and verifying it. It will test each and everything. It will test navigation. It will test background, animation. It will test component. Okay. Here, this is the about section. This is the service section. This is the experience, this is the project, this is the contact. Everything is working. You can see this progress bar. If you provide your image and if you provide your project list, then have you imagined how much awesome is it? I think it will be responsive as well. See, it will fully responsive for mobile, for web and tablet. Okay, our task is already completed. It will build one awesome portfolio website and where it will still on the process of testing, but our task is already completed. Okay, then that's it for today's video. If you think this will be the best platform if you didn't want to pay, which provide intelligence model for free of cost and unlimited as well. Okay, this is the complete details about Freebuff. If you find this content helpful, you may consider subscribe as well. And that's it for today's video. Happy coding. Bye bye.